Hello everyone, today I am going to present my project on the topic National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This project is a part of my data analyst internship at Mentorness. So, going to the introduction of the topic, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, enacted in 2005, the primary goal of nrega is to provide at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in the rural area. The objective of this project is to analyze the nrega data set to evaluate its effectiveness in providing rural employment and alleviating poverty in India. The insight gained will guide policymakers in optimizing nrega impact, ensuring more effective implementation and resource allocation to improve the rural livelihood. There were 5 problem statements given in the assignment. I will respond to each one by my analysis and insight generation in the further slide. So the methodology that I have gone through in my entire project are data collection, data cleaning, exploratory analysis, data visualization, and insight generation. The dataset overview. The source of the dataset has been provided by the Mentorness. It was from the official government record. It contained data on various states and districts in India. Here is the dashboard that I have generated using the dataset provided to me. When coming to analysis part, the average wage rate per person per day is 203 rupees and the average day of employment provided per household is 23 days. It has been observed that the total individuals were more than the total household, which tells us that multiple individuals from the same household participate in the program. It shows the program is working effectively in providing work and reducing unemployment in rural areas. The problem statement responses are here. The first statement was effectiveness of nrega in providing employment opportunity. Yes, nrega is really effective in providing employment opportunity to rural household, as evidenced by the significant number of job card issued and the active worker. Bihar, with 17 million job card issued, Bihar saw a high level of engagement in the scheme. Regional disparities in implementation and outcome. The provided data indicates significant regional disparities. The job card issued, expenditure on agriculture, active worker. Andhra Pradesh has the highest approved labor budget, whereas West Bengal has none. Optimizing the scheme impact through data analysis, ensuring more accurate distribution of funds based on the specific need, identifying states with significant disparities in outcomes. The recommendation which I can provide by analyzing the data set are: ensure fair distribution of funds based on region needs, invest in training for officials and communities, design target internship for marginalized groups to ensure their equity access and participation, utilize digital tools for effective monitoring. The conclusion that I have conducted by analyzing the data set, the data indicate that nrega is effective in providing employment in rural areas, evidenced by significant job card ensure and active worker engagement. However, regional disparities in job card budget allocation expenditure on agriculture suggest uneven implementation. States like Bihar and West Bengal show strong engagement, while others faces challenges due to inequitable budget distribution and resource allocation. Ensuring fair distribution of funds and prioritizing sectors with high employment potential is crucial. Target support, training, and digital tools for monitoring can enhance the scheme effectiveness. So, thank you for your time. Any question or any feedback, you are welcome to send me in comment.